Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I want to talk to you about DeepLink. Now this is a product that's been out for a while. It's by Branson Tay, and I just noticed that it's still number 7 in Warrior Plus. So people are still buying this product. So I thought I'd do a quick review of this because I want to take you through the product in a little bit more detail so that you understand exactly what you're going to buy here if you're unfortunate enough to buy DeepLink. So I will take you inside. This is my own copy of this product. I have been testing it out. And as you can see here, this is the actual notification I had when I actually went ahead and purchased it. So guys, if you haven't been onto my channel before, this is the School of Nomads. I give you honest reviews of products where I tell you exactly what kind of value they're going to give you and your business. If you're interested in those types of reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, basically this is promising you lots and lots of free traffic with one click. So if I come down to here, you're going to choose a niche, you're going to enter a link, and you're going to activate the automation. So this is going to activate automation to 300 million buyers. So a very specific number there. And guys, I will come back to these testimonials because you do need to understand something about this vendor and the testimonials that he actually gives. So when we jump in, guys, basically this is an ebook creator, which then apparently gives you SEO traffic. Now I've just created an ebook on here and it didn't work. So you come over to the dashboard here. The first thing you'll see is some tutorial video there that tells you how to use the software. And then there's also some more tutorials down here. They're in 3 parts that explain to you how to use this SEO functionality and some of the upsells, which I will take you through during this review. So if I just come over to here and I create a campaign, I can come over here and just give this any kind of campaign. So I'm just going to do this again. I've already done this once. So basically you can go ahead and create a campaign there, and it asks me to put 4 topics in here, and I want these to come from eZane articles. So if I go ahead and hit next, I'm going to ask it to give me 5 articles. I want to put some images in here, so I'm going to ask it to put some images in here around affiliate. And it's going to go and search for some images. Just tick some of these images. This is pretty easy to build this ebook. I haven't actually seen a finished ebook yet, mine, so this piece is kind of immaterial at the moment. So I press next here. I want 1 image per page. I press next here. Then I have the ebook title, and then I have my name, and I have an image tag here. Again, I'll put affiliate. I'm going to pick this one as the actual page. I want an inline CTA and a footer CTA, so I can add one of them if I want to. So basically I can put a keyword in here, and every time this keyword comes up, it's going to give me the ability to put a URL in here. I'll add that, press next, and then guys, it won't let me press next. This is the issue with this software. It is just absolutely full of bugs. It won't even let me do a simple page at the moment. So last time it allowed me to go to the end and did nothing. This time it's not even allowing me to get past this stage. So this is absolutely full of bugs. When I come down to my ebooks to check if the previous one has been built yet, that's still not being built. And then you can also create funnels. Now if I try and create a funnel and I click on any of these, I get this. Now this is still for sale on Warrior Plus, and look at the state of this software. This is really, really poor, guys. Now, if I come over to the SEO traffic, this is supposed to be giving me all of the different blogs with that are in Google based on my keyword that I give it. And this is supposed to be your free traffic, automated traffic. What you need to do is go into those blogs and then spam them blogs with the link of your funnel that you've created. So again, very poor tactic, because most blogs will block you if they're of any quality. They won't allow you to put links in their comments and just spam them. And on another note, this doesn't even work. This isn't even giving me a keyword of affiliate. And don't tell me there's no blogs on Google with a keyword affiliate. This crashes as well. It just spins for about 2 or 3 minutes and then crashes. So this whole software is absolutely full of bugs. Warrior Plus are still selling it and allow it to be sold on their network. And people like Brendan Mace have just sent me an email promoting it. So they clearly don't care what the quality of the applications that are actually promoting are. So basically, guys, this is a complete and utter waste of time. Look at that, no data received. Really, for affiliate and affiliate marketing and the various other searches I put in here. Let's just try one more in a completely different niche. we know there's going to be articles on keto diets. And again, guys, no data received from keto diets. So completely pointless. This software, you need to keep away from it. If I come back to the sales page, I'm going to go to these testimonials. These are supposed to be the testimonials that tell you whether this product is any good. And then I'll read this. You've whipped up something awesome, man. The part I've always struggled with as a marketer is traffic generation. There's a line here. The moment Branson told me I could start siphoning traffic from a pool of 300 million proven buyers, I immediately said. Now, I put these through my plagiarism checker and I came across this site and I've got this testimonial here. You've whipped up something awesome, man. The part I've always struggled with as a marketer is traffic generation, right? So that's exactly the same as this line here. So either that's the world's biggest coincidence or they've just copied and pasted a testimonial onto their webpage. And basically you come across here and she says, the moment Vicky told me that I could start siphoning from a pool of 300,000 proven buyers, and I come back to here, the moment Branson told me that I could start siphoning traffic from a pool of 300 million proven buyers. Complete nonsense, completely made up. I know myself that these are AI or stock images. They're not real people. Do not trust this vendor. Don't buy off this vendor. The software is very, very low quality. You're just going to completely waste your time, guys. And you need to keep away from these types of push button softwares online. Hope you found that useful. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.